and strong wind battered coastal Orissa districts as the super cyclone Amphan hurtled towards the coast this morning. Trees were uprooted and power infrastructure suffered damage following strong wind. According to a media report, the town port of Paradeep recorded the highest wind speed of 106 km per hour, followed by Chandbali with 74 km per hour, Balasore 59 km per hour and Bhubaneswar 56 km per hour. The cyclone is expected to have maximum impact between noon and evening. Another Shramik special train today brought 495 stranded Manipuris from Andhra Pradesh. The returnees boarded the train on May 17 from Vijayawada railway station. The Shramik train reached Jiribam railway station around 8:17 am. Our correspondent reports. This is the sixth train to have brought returnees to the state during the COVID-19 lockdown. India reported the biggest single-day jump in the number of coronavirus disease COVID-19 patients today with 5,611 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's tally to 1,06,750. Union Health Ministry said. The number of deaths has also gone up after 140 COVID-19 patients succumbed to the respiratory disease between Tuesday and Wednesday morning, according to the Health Ministry's dashboard at 8 am. So far, 3,303 people have died. Nambol constituency MLA N. Loken today inspected the community quarantine center open at SK Women's College, Hongampat under Nambol. MLA N. Loken during the visit provided sodium hypochlorite solution, hand sanitizer and face masks to the district administration staff at the quarantine center. A team of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC led by its Vice President Dr. T.H. Ratan Kumar today extended monetary aid to migrants before they headed for their respective native places in buses from Imphal. The HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nisik informed that the pending CBSE examinations will be held in schools where students are enrolled. As per media reports, Nisik said that the examinations will be conducted amid strict norms of social distancing. This has been decided to ensure minimum travel for the students, the minister added. Nisik said CBSE is trying to declare the result by July end. The examinations will conclude by July 15. With a recovery rate of 68.83%, Tripura has topped among all states of India in fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic. Tripura's Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath said that with the release of 116 COVID-19 patients out of the 172 from the isolation center after recovery, Tripura has crossed the national average rate of 39% with 68.83%. Recovery rate till yesterday, a media report said today. In Nagaland, Dimapur District Administration has permitted all retail shops in Dimapur District to remain open from 9 am to 4 pm with effect from May 20, 2020. In an order, Deputy Commissioner Dimapur Anup Khinchi, however, stated that all shops in New Market, Hong Kong Market, Hazi Park, Millennium Market, Railway Bazaar and Vegetable Market in Purana Bazaar and all weekly bazaar would remain closed. Further, DC notified that all hardware shops in Dimapur district would be permitted to open from 6 am to 12 noon with effect from May 20. Taiwan cannot accept becoming part of China under its one country, two systems offer of autonomy, President Tsai Ing-wen said today, in a strong rejection of China's sovereignty claim, but called for talks so that both sides could coexist. According to a media report, in a speech after being sworn in for her second term and final term in office, Tsai said relations between Taiwan and China has reached an historical turning point. In her speech, Tsai also added, Taiwan will not accept the Beijing authorities' use of one country, two systems to downgrade Taiwan and undermine the cross-strait status quo.